Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare lessons. There are different ways you can make lessons. You can make them in slideshows and then video format. So you can make your lessons, for example, in this format with your whiteboard and then your camera. This is the easiest and the simple way to do it. You get a whiteboard, marker, and you start teaching. You have to make sure that you have a good background, and then your your camera quality is okay, and you are good to go. You don't need sophisticated softwares and all those things. You just place your phone, capture your lessons, make sure that everything is visible, your voice is clear, the picture is clear, and then you are good to go. So this is the first method, and this is the easiest way you can go about. Then we have this method in the PowerPoint format. Like this is a video format. So you have your presentation, and then you prepare your presentation, then you start talking about it. So this is the introduction, this is the second video. So he's talking. Okay, let me
Children
find
to
the
see to
is it
get to know
what's
what
Visual
Visual
Studio.
Studio is.
Okay.
Now,
So you can
website
see
development, you
he
can
has prepared
basically
them bit
use
by bit,
Visual Studio to build
and then he'll
your
be
website.
explaining. So I'm going to show you how you can do uh, a video like this and start uploading. Okay, so first of all, before you can do this, you need to prepare the slideshow in PowerPoint. You need to have a laptop, or you can even prepare lessons on PowerPoint on your phone. We have PowerPoint for Android. You can download it on your phone and you can use it to prepare these slideshows. So the first thing is, as I said, is to prepare the slides, and then you made the voiceover on it. So even the slideshows can be used as a slide share in the system where the student can just be browsing and reading, but making a voiceover explaining things, writing on the screen is far better. Okay, so let's start creating something. So the first method, as I said, is just having your board. There's no explanation on that. You just get your board, your marker, and you are done. With your camera, you get a tripod, or if you get a place where you can place your camera on it, or if you can get somebody that can capture you, you just prepare your lesson. Then the second one is this format. So first, let's open PowerPoint on my laptop. So you open PowerPoint, then you go to blank presentation, new presentation. So let's say we are going to prepare lesson science about the heart. So write the title heart. Then the title here we can put integrated science researchers too. Okay, so we can put here heart. Okay, so this is the title. This is raw. So we have to add some designs and all this. So you can see on your left hand side here, or on your right hand side, you can see designer. So these are designs you can pick. You see the hearts integrated science SS2. These are the design. You can pick this one, the heart integrated science. This to make the background what thing, make it more presentable or more beautiful. You can click see more, and you can get a lot of designs you can use. Okay, so let's pick this one. So this is the heart. This is the introduction to. Okay, so you've made the front page. Front page. This is the first page uh, of your lessons. You understand? So let's duplicate this. Just click on it, right click on it, and then click duplicate slide. And then you will start editing it. So here we can add an image. So you can say part of the heart. Okay, parts of the heart. Okay. Then you can use the center, okay, part of the heart, integrated science. Here we can delete this, and then we can just delete this. Just cut it, and then let's go and then find an image of the heart. Let's go and download an image of the heart. Okay, you can search part of that. I'm using science as an example. Okay, so if you are taking maths, you are going to select your topic. Okay, so you go to images, and then you can see a lot. So the one that is good for you, let's say this. Okay, so you can save image as let's say on desktop, and then you save it. Okay, now we come back to our PowerPoint. We go to insert picture from this device. Then you go to where you save in desktop, and then you pick it, insert. You can replace it. You can minimize it, or you can choose to remove that side and put this image here to parts of the heart. Okay, so we are done with this. You can also duplicate this slide, so we get a test slide. Now let's say part of the heart, we'll be talking about the vena cava, the aorta, the left atrium, and all those things. So you have the introduction, the heart, where you speak about what you are going to learn. Then part of the heart, you can talk about the vena cava, and those things. Then you'll be taking them one by one. So part of the heart here is not going to be part of the heart. Maybe you're going to talk about the vena cava. So here will be the vena vena cava. So this is your the the distant lesson notes. It's like if you have prepared your lesson notes, it's like how should I say? It's like yes, preparing your lesson notes. You understand? So we are going to talk about the vena cava. So what you do is, if you want to add a description or maybe some notes here, let me see. Let me go to Chat GPT as I showed you the other day. I'm going to I'm going to say, write a brief. Oh, sorry. Write a brief description about the vena cava. Okay. The superior and inferior vena cava, the two largest veins in the human body. Okay. So so you are the science teacher, so you know more about this. So this chat GPT, as I showed you earlier, is just there to help you prepare your lesson notes. So you see it has given you some details about the vena cava. You can copy it and then edit, or you can pick something and add to what you've already prepared. or if you know everything about the vernacular, you can just type it. So you come here, you come to insert, and then you go to text box. Okay, so then we draw, then we paste our text. No, sorry, what did I choose? Uh, okay, insert text box. Okay, um, you paste. Okay, so that's the banner cover. You can start adjusting them. You can start adjusting them so that it look nice. You can bring the heart here. You can make this like this. Okay, you can pull it up small. Okay, so you have this here. So this is the banner cover. You can just duplicate this also, duplicate it, and then this time this is not going to be the banner cover. Maybe this one is going to be the owl, the avatar. Okay, that's it. So the avatar, you now just go to, you just bring the description of the avatar or what you want to talk about the avatar. You just paste it here, or you go to chat GPT and then you write it here. Okay, and then you save. Don't forget to save and say the heart. Then let me see, document, save. So it's very easy preparing lessons and in PowerPoint. You first of all create a uh, blank presentation or blank page. You type the title. You choose a designer. Once you are done, you duplicate. You duplicate it and you edit it. You can add images. You can add text to it. Once you are done, instead of designing each page different, you can just make duplicate. If you don't want to add the heart, or maybe if you want the image of final cover to be here, you can just come impact image of image of final cover. Okay, so if you final cover, okay, is this, so we just look inside final cover. So we just look for the image that suits, or that suits the topic you are talking about. You download it and then you come to insert pictures. You select the picture and then you adjust it. Adjusting is not difficult. You just, you see it has one, two, three, four, five. So that's if you want to bring it inwards, you just hold, you know, drag to the left, drag to the right, you leave it. If you want to move it, if you see these four arrows there, you just hold your mouse, move it up and down. Then it's not difficult. Okay, so we've already saved it, and now we are going to turn this. You can use this if you have enough information on this. You can use this as a lesson in the platform. You can use it as a slideshow, and the student will just be following it as a slideshow. But I think making it a video format will be better. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we're going to record and convert this slideshow into a video.